Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a great Indian mojito, Asmer style. First, let's gather all your fresh ingredients in a sturdy glass. We'll focus on creating a delightful drink that not only tastes amazing, but also offers a soothing auditory experience. Get ready to muddle, mix, and enjoy the crisp sounds of a perfectly prepared beverage. This easy guide will help you craft a unique and refreshing treat. To begin, you'll need about 10 fresh mint leaves and 1 whole lime. For sweetness, have 2 tablespoons of sugar ready. Don't forget plenty of ice cubes and chilled club soda. To give it that special Indian touch, consider a small piece of fresh ginger and a pinch of black salt or chaat masala. These ingredients are key to a truly flavorful and aromatic mojito. Start by placing your mint leaves and lime wedges into a tall glass. Gently muddle them to release their oils and juices, being careful not to overmuddle the mint. Next, add your 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of black salt or chaat masala. Fill the glass with ice cubes, then top it off with chilled club soda. Stir everything well to combine all the wonderful flavors. For the Asmer experience, pay attention to the sounds. The gentle muddling, the clinking of ice as you fill the glass, and the satisfying fizz of the club soda are all part of the charm. Garnish your Indian mojito with a fresh lime wedge and a vibrant mint sprig. Take a moment to appreciate the visual appeal and the subtle sounds before you take your first refreshing sip. Enjoy your homemade, great Indian mojito.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.